Sanibonani, everybody out there. This is the power of healing with uThabi. Ngingukhanya ngingunompilo, iqhwa lento asahlobo, umthombo wokuhle kodwa. Ikhehla lenkosazana uma usha kamoya, inkanyezi yamakhosi komntungwa. UNGOWEKHETHELO. uDadebawo. I've been waiting for this moment for too long, and to get it go ahead and reveal myself or reveal what I have been given is a privilege, and I am so grateful, angazintini, just to be here now and talk about it freely. Ngiyabonga nje kusalikazi singiphethe uma guys, I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about Iñzuza in a way that people don't know, in a way that we never thought existed. Angazi, I'm just grateful, I'm just happy nje ukuba yimi, the true me. I'm just happy nje. So yeah guys, today ngizokhuluma ngeNzuza, ngizokhuluma ngomama, ngizokhuluma ngokuba uDadebawo and what it means to be ordained to uDadebawo. What is uDadebawo? uDadebawo is umama wasemanzini. This is a title that you get when, I remember I said to people, ngiyagraduate, and my previous video I spoke about isiphika seNzuza, and when you get to that stage, so uDadebawo, I never really explained that because I believe izinto you need to ukuthi ulinde until zize zifike lapha efanele ifike khona zibe revealed ngendlela yazo. So I spoke about as ama characteristics. Okay, so UNGOWEKHETHELO is a name engiliphiwe uma after my initiation, and then and my obviously ikhehla engihamba nalo, my ancestors, my spirit guides, my bonke nje abangisingathile. So I was given igama UNGOWEKHETHELO. So what does it mean to be uDadebawo, umama wasemanzini? It means the gift that you have, like the title, you have gone through all the stages, the initiation Iñzuza, okay? And uDadebawo is one that is given a lot of gifts, spiritual gifts. And so after my graduation, I just had 2-3 tests to undergo, unknowingly that I'm going through that, but yeah, I finally got to this part. And yeah, so Iñzuza, as we know, it's in shamanism as Pachamama. It is known as Pachamama in shamanism. The rainmaker, Khosi ya metsi, Moale wa tsenga, Moale wa chopo, Moale wa buroka, kaspeti. So yeah, Moale is just so amazing. Moale is a goddess of water, or a god of water, and in many things nje abekwa kuzo evezwa ngakhona, explained or defined ngendlela zabantu eningi. That's not really what Moale is, and I'm so grateful nje ukuthi ngifike la. I never really believed in the rainmakers and the goddess of water. I think not that much, obviously, but you think maybe lento it's and to be here and ngifakele speaker. And I think if you look at my prayer yesterday, that was the first time nisbona le speaker, and it was a special occasion that I had to, one of the tests that I had to finish. But ezinye ke I'm not going to really explain because the sacred, as I did mention. So now I'm going to talk about the ordainment. When I was ordained that week, I think a lot of us remembers ukuthi there was a lot of rain and overflow in dams and in kube nemvula nje futhi eqakile the lightning Iñzuza, okay, umnikazi wolwandle elimuncu ne amanzi asendulo. Sikhuluma ngamanzi asendulo when we talk about Iñzuza, sikhuluma ngolwandle olumuncu, sikhuluma ngophathamama here, sikhuluma ngoma. When one of her children, because remember ukuthi uma is a goddess, is being ordained, Uma ascends the throne. So Uma, that's ascension for her. When one of hers ascends the throne, when one of her is ordained to uDadebawo, which is umntwana semanzini noma umama semanzini, she ascends the throne, meaning it's her happiest moment, meaning ilapho khona eyiveza khona ebantwini in so many ways. So that is why we saw all the signs of the dams and everything else. And some of the things are very sacred, but the feeling, guys, the feeling, that the appreciation that I have for Moale, Moale ya waburoka. I'm still trying to get used to the petty version there. There's this phrase that they use, Ngwetsia, yes. So yeah, when madiba, yes. So when we are ordained, and the graduation that I spoke about, Uma ascends the throne, and we'll see so many rain, and we will see some floods, and it is not a bad sign. It is a celebration of purity and holiness and good, because Uma represents good, Uma represents holiness, Uma represents all that is pure, and to just be one that also gets, I think I was blessed yesterday, I think when was it, Friday, I was blessed with umoya wamanono, which is wamanono, which is very, I was, I think, gratitude, guys. And I hopefully one day I get to explain ama stages wamabai and what each and every one of them, because I think you've seen most of my videos, most of them anamabai are different. So explain ukuthi ashukuthini, and explain ukuthi stage sakhona bekuyini, ameleni, asebenzani, if ngivumelekile, I will speak about them. Yeah, I'm just excited, and although I was a bit emotional this morning about the journey itself, because when Uma ascends the throne, or when Uma when you get to that stage where you're going to be ordained, I had a lot of things going on. 2022 was I said to one of the people that I was speaking to yesterday, 2020, 2021, 2022, it's one of those years where you just have to write out or wipe out. Don't call it past, don't call it history. And it was very difficult because I felt like I was pushed away from a lot of people, friends, family. I felt pushed away. I felt isolated in so many ways. And to get to this point where you like, that was the whole reason, because you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be trained the way you are trained. You wouldn't go through. And I went through something on Christmas Day that I don't want to share with a lot of people. But for that, and to get to the 1st of January 2023, when I get that moment of sharing what is it that I am, and the honor that comes with being uDadebawo or being called uDadebawo. I hear a lot of people have called me Makosi, a lot of people have said Togosa, but in actual essence, or the title that I was given, uDadebawo, when we talk about uDadebawo UNGOWEKHETHELO, because the self-initiation is totally different from initiation by Ugobela and Ilendo. So even the titles are different in so many ways. I just wanted to share this, guys, because I'm so grateful. But anyways, so you go through a lot, guys. You go through a lot. You go through hell. I think there was a time when I said, Mina, I've seen hell, and I've been through hell, and I came back from hell because I had to endure the pain, and a lot of the grief, the trials. And I had to get through this. I think the last month was even worse, and to find yourself crying, "Gutaibo, this is just not normal," because now everything has been shut down. And I'm grateful. I want to say this. I'm grateful for the people, the strangers that I met during my journey, who, in a way, were sent as angels, because you need to get that sort of angelic act, or one act of kindness, because ngeke uze uqede this journey, ngeke uze uqede this journey, and to get to where I am, and to for everything to be revealed ngendlela throughout the year. The revelations, the visions, the dreams. On when I think I was honored on Friday, when I saw an angel cow with wings, and I didn't know the significance of it at that moment when it appeared, because I even showed at the like on the sky, right? And I didn't know what to make of it, Mangibona, because I thought maybe I'm the only one seeing things. So I went to the people that I was standing with, and I said, if one of you guys, please tell me, because it was males, and I said, do you see what I'm seeing? And this guy said, yes, it's a female cow, it's a female angel cow with wings. And because the cow was standing in between the wings, and I didn't, and now to get to the 1st of January, where I'm given that moment to say, uDadebawo wena. Oh God, I'm so honored. Throughout everything, throughout how people know me, how people have perceived me, the versions of me created by abantu ingqondweni zabo, guys, I can't change all of that. But to be here, and the magical moment that I'm at now, I'm just as excited as I am. I'm also emotional, because it is only through him that makes you. I'm sorry. So I'm attached. I don't want to lie, and I only wish my daughter was here, even though she is in spirit, celebrating with me. Yesterday, when I was about to start the 2023 game changer prayer, Magzushaya 3, because I was meant to start at 3. It started raining like thunderstorm, and I was like, how? All this time we thought the sky was clearing, and the signs that I've been seeing, the symbols, guys, wait your turn, and wait. God's timing is always perfect. His plan is always perfect, and is his will in your life is always perfect. I'm grateful for 2023. I don't know whether this is my game changer, or this is my I prayed for it like May 20th November in yesterday, and I'm already just the emotion olphathekayo, but to be recognized in the spiritual world and to be honored in that manner. And I'm just grateful. I am just grateful. I'm thankful to Uma. I'm thankful to Ikhehla, Umtungwa, Amakhehla sentabeni, Amakhosi amabutho asentabeni. I'm grateful for them. I'm grateful for lamakhehla engihamba nawo, lezi zalikazi ezingitotobisile njalo. Amanono, the spirit of children that ezizibonakalisile kimi and gave me the gift of entabeni, the gift of emanzini, the gift of a gift of Izulu. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful to the rainmakers. I'm grateful to Moale. I'm grateful to Ngwetsi Yameti Yapula. I'm grateful Njema Gakulu, and I'm grateful to God. I am grateful to God for being chosen by these goddesses, or to being chosen by this goddess, and the highest hierarchy known to be uDadebawo. It's truly amazing. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, and I hope you guys do find healing and find peace, and hopefully that 2023 is going to be a beautiful year. Happy New Year to all of you, and nginithanda kakhulu. Thank you.